Let's try answering this problem in manometer. So the problem is, a YouTube manometer containing mercury was used to find the negative pressure in the pump. In the pipe containing water. The right limb was open to the atmosphere. Okay, so parang common na YouTube manometer. Find the vacuum pressure in the pipe. If the difference of mercury level in the two limbs is 110 mm and height of water in the left limb from the center of the pipe was found to be 50 mm below. Okay, so dating gawe for the solution, drawing ulit natin yung pipe natin. So, we have a pipe. Connected siya sa manometer. Okay, so yan yung manometer natin. So we have a water daw here sa loob ng pipe natin. Di natin alam kung hanggang saan. So example up until here. So water yan, yung pink. Now meron daw, instead na tumaas yung nandito since vacuum, the right limb was open to the atmosphere. Ito open to the atmosphere. Find the vacuum pressure in the pipe. The difference of the mercury level in the two limbs was 110. So, nandito yung isang level natin ng mercury. So, ang mercury natin is this part of the manometer. So, again, yung datum line, just what I've said kanina, is kinukuha natin sa lowest level. Yan ang may lowest level ng mga fluids natin. Diyan sa part na yan. Sug natin. Should be here. Yan. Yan yung nasa lowest level. So, ito ang i-consider natin as our datum line. Now, ang sabi is the difference ng dalawang level ng mercury from here, ayan, dito sa point na to, yan, up to this level is 110 mm. Okay? And height of water in the left limb from the center, okay, for example, ito yung galing sa center. Yan, hanggang dyan. From the center up to this here, it is found to be 50 mm below. Okay? From the center. So, nandyan, 50 mm below. So, pinapahanap sa atin is the vacuum gauge pressure. So, solution, gaya nung kanina, pressure on the left limb is equal to the pressure on the right limb. If we have here pressure at the pipe A is equals to, oh, okay. Yan yung pressure at A. Plus, ang i-add natin is yung pressure exerted by this height. We have rho 1 G H1. Say example, H1 yan. And we have H2 na naan dito. H2. plus rho 2 GH2. That is equal to 0 since yung naandito is wala naman ng pressure. Wala nang laman yung naandito. Atmospheric na lang yan. Okay. Wala naman kasi sinabi sa problem na absolute pressure ang hahanapin. So, solve natin. PA is now equal to negative rho 1 GH1 plus rho 2 GH2. Okay, so yan na yung ating solution. So, PA is equal to negative. Rho 1 natin is 1,000 kilogram per meter cube since that is water times G na 9.81 meter per second squared times yung H1. H1 natin is 50 mm. So, yung 50, we will divide it by 1,000 to make it meter. Plus, rho 2. Ang rho 2 natin is mercury. Rho 2 is mercury. And 'di ba sabi natin, ang specific gravity ng mercury is 13.6 times density ng water na 1,000 kilogram per meter cube. Yan yung density ng standard natin. Times 9.81 meter per second squared times yung height. Yung height H2 natin is 110 mm as stated in the problem. So 110, I will divide it by 1,000 to make it meter. Then pwede na lang natin yan gamitan ng calculator. That is equal to negative. Kahit nga hindi muna natin isama yung negative kasi alam naman natin na yung magiging sagot nito is already in negative. So, 1,000 times 9.81 times may over daw 50 over 1,000. Ay, sorry. 50 over 1,000 plus 13.6. Papasok natin sa parenthesis. 13.6 times 1,000 times 9.81 times may over, mali, ito, 110 over 1,000. Pressing equal, that is 15,166.26 Pascal. So, convert 1 kilopascal, 1,000 Pascal. So, we have pressure or the vacuum pressure at A, which is negative 15.16 kPa. So, yan yung solution natin for this kind of problem.